Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat not opening. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat not opening, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will search about the application of WeChat. When you will enter to this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause errors. And after that we go to your airplane mode. You can click to turn on, then you will wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.